If you remember, in the last unit we covered how to log into the platform, how to go to a course, and how to structure a course. Here we saw how we added a lesson on angles. Once you select on that learning object, this tells you a very detailed overview of that learning object. As you can see, it has the name, it has the objective, the students, the providers. You can add some interesting tags here if you want analytics. For example, we can say this is on angles, this is a math lesson. Students need to know concept of measurement. You also see pre-populated lists here. You can take the tag. So what happens is once a student consumes this lesson and masters it, we know what concepts that the child has mastered. Along with that, you can add different resources or see what was existent in this chapter. For example, in the angles unit, we see that there are two videos that have been attached in the resources. This is what the student will either consume or will be able to see when he logs in. If you want to preview that, you can just easily preview it through this. At the same time, you see a quiz and practice section over here. This tells us that there are 18 questions in the practice, including the level of each question. If you want to go and edit any of these questions or take them out, all you have to do is click on Edit Practice. We will cover later in detail how to edit practices and how to create new practices. For now, let's go back to the lesson. The other interesting part here is how to add or embed a new resource link. Suppose you want to add or upload a new PDF document for reading materials for this particular lesson. You can click on the upload video, image, or PDF. Let's pick a sample document. Upload. The internet is a little bit slow. Alright, there you go. We have a success. Now you can see that this is a resource that the students will be seeing as part of their consumption. This is a reading material. You can quickly preview it. This is a PDF document we added. And it gives you a nice reading material for this particular unit. Now, as mentioned, this could be a part of a textbook that you've scanned and you want to add. It could be a worksheet that you want to give our students to work on. It could be reading materials. It could be graded reading articles for English. So it's really flexible. You can add any document here. Let's go and delete this for now. All right. The other interesting part here is how to generate a lesson plan. So if I click preview, we see that there is a lesson plan already attached for this topic, which the teacher can use to teach. If you click generate lesson plan, the system also automatically generates its own lesson plan using the resources at disposal. What it would do is pick up few questions from the practice. It would take the objectives in the video and create a simple lesson plan for the teacher. So this is really what a learning object is. It's a combination of quizzes, resources, instruction material, an objective and tags that help students navigate and complete or achieve mastery in that objective.